Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Shar on this lovely Sunday. We are having an absolutely beautiful day outside today, and I come to you with a delicious, easy, and quick banana pudding, but it's gonna have a little bit of surprise in it. Y'all, we're gonna add a little bit of strawberries and a little bit of blueberries to the banana pudding. All right, I've never had it before, but I mean, you can't go wrong. Bananas, strawberries, blueberries, that just sounds amazing, right? So these are all the ingredients. I will have the recipe down below. All you have to do, if you want, is just add the strawberries and blueberries. That is it. It is just the simple, basic banana pudding recipe, but this is the one where you add the Eagle brand condensed milk and the cream cheese. All right, so let's get started, you all. Stay tuned for delicious banana pudding with surprises. All right, you all, so we have a 9x13 pan to start here. You can use any 9x13 pan, whether it is stoneware or glass, or you can even use aluminum. It's up to you. All right, we just have the blueberries and strawberries, and I'm just going by sight to see how I'm going to add that. You will see that later. And these are our bananas. We're going to use probably approximately 4 because we're using other fruit. So I like to cut my bananas up last. So I set these to a side so that they can keep their color and the pretty yellow as long as possible. Now I have added in the past lemon juice to it, but for my preference, the banana can get a little slimy when you add the lemon juice to it. However, to each his own. That was my experience with using the lemon juice. It does keep it a little bit where it doesn't change the colors as fast, but it's still a standard banana pudding, and it lasts up to 2 to 3 days before the color starts to change. So that is the banana that we're using, and these are organic chiquitas. I'm going to set that to a side, and we have the Cool Whip here that we will blend in with the pudding and the cream cheese condensed milk mixture. But then I also have extra just in case I want to add a little bit more extra Cool Whip. So we have this, and this is the 1 pound 16-ounce size. So normally they'll use the one that's cut in half, the 8-ounce size, but I'm doing 16. We're not going to use all of this, but like I said, sometimes I like to add a little extra whipped cream, okay? I mean Cool Whip to my banana pudding, okay? And then we have here the banana cream jello mix, and we have the vanilla jello mix, instant jello mix, okay? And you want to make sure that it is instant. Let me see, are both of these instant? Okay, one is instant pudding and pie, filling, cook and serve. Ma, is there a vanilla up there? I think there's a vanilla up there. Okay, I think this one's not instant. We're gonna see, we're gonna check in that. I do have more up there, but these are the 2 flavors that I am using today. We have our 8-ounce block of cream cheese, Philadelphia, or whatever brand you like. We have our 1 box of vanilla wafers. Okay, to me, they just are the classic banana pudding. It's just that flavor of the vanilla wafer that just makes it outstanding. Okay, yes, so we're gonna have to use this one. This one says instant, so I think I'm going to use half of the box. This one, I wanted you all to see the difference. So this is very important. This one says cook and serve. We don't want this one because it's not instant. You want the instant to make it quick and easy. So I have a little bit of that vanilla, thank God, here, and it's instant. So we're gonna take the rest of the vanilla that I have here from a previous recipe, and we're gonna add it to the banana cream. And these are both instant. Do not use the cook and serve, okay? We want instant pudding, all right? And like I said, that's the block of Philadelphia cream cheese, 8 ounces. This is a whole can of Eagle brand we're going to use today, and that is 14 ounces of Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk and the vanilla wafers, okay? And we have the milk here ready to go. You all, I think we have everything. So let's get started. Stay tuned. All right, you all, so I've already layered 1 layer of the vanilla wafers. I used to call them vanilla wafers, but vanilla wafers. Okay, mommy said they used to be called vanilla wafers when she was a child. This is a 9x13 pan. Okay, we have 4 going across and 7 going down. All right, so that's waiting for the pudding to just get on top. Need to make sure, it's very important that you make sure your cream cheese is softened. If it's not softened, it can be a little bit more difficult. Still doable, but you will be blending for a very long time. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead on And I'm not going to talk throughout this whole thing, but just for the beginning basics, okay? that is it, everyone. So that is the finished banana pudding. Quick and easy. We're gonna cover this with saran wrap and put it in the fridge. And that is what it looks like on the side. It's completely full with pudding, which my family absolutely loves that. All right, thank you so much. So we're gonna let this chill. Once it's done, I will take a sample of it and taste it. So it's gonna be a couple of hours. So you all stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Put the plastic on top.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let them see that. Alright. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And that's what that looks like. Mmm. 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 All right, you all, so thank you so much for watching Journey with Shar as I made this banana pudding with blueberries and strawberries, you all. It is so delicious. My family's going crazy. But thank you so much for tuning in. You all be blessed. Take care of one another. Love one another. And I pray that you have a blessed week. Also, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you and you can come and check me out. You all be blessed. Remember, always trust God. Keep him first, and he'll always lead you in the right direction. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bon appetit.